Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So today we are going to see one max Olympiad problem. So the question is given if root of a by 2 plus root of 2 by a bracket root of a by 3 plus root of 3 by a into a is equal to root of a by 5 plus root of 5 by a whole bracket root of a by 6 plus root of 6 by a. Then you have to find the value of 5a power 6 plus 50a to the power of 5 plus 184a to the power of 4 plus 278a square a cube minus a square minus 660a. This is value you have to find. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So directly we'll go to the problem. So here in this problem, first of all, we'll take LHS and RHS. So very simple problem, but calculation is more in this problem. So here that is very important. Calculation part is important. So here root a by 2. First we will do given root a by 2 plus root 2 by a. I will take LHS bracket root a by 3 plus root 3 by a into a. So here I will do squaring on both sides. So I am taking LHS and squaring on both sides. Squaring. So if you do the squaring, here a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Second one, if you multiply, here you'll get a square plus b square plus 2ab into a square. So this is the squaring on both sides. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2 b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab, here a square. So this terms will get cancelled. Here these two terms will get cancelled. Now if you take LCM, a square plus 2a plus a square plus 4, a square plus 4 plus 4a will get. Denominator will be 2a. Second one, what will get? A square plus 9 plus 6a by 3a will get. So into a square. Here a square, a get cancel. Now this one will be a plus 2. A plus 2 whole square into a plus 3 whole square by 6. This is the value of LHS. So if you take RHS, same like this only, you have to do squaring on both sides. RHS root a by 5 plus root 5 by a into root a by 6 plus root 6 by a. Doing squaring on both sides, squaring this. So here a by 5 a square, 5 by a b square, directly I am writing 2. Second one a by 6 plus 6 by a plus 2. So already you have done now previously. The same I am writing here. Because of time factor, a square plus 25 plus 10a by 5a. So the second one is a square plus 36 plus 12a by 6a. So here if you write a plus b whole square formula, here you will get a plus 5 whole square into a plus 6 whole square by 30a square. This is the value of RHS. Now LHS and RHS are equal. Now here we are making them equal. A plus b whole square into a plus 3 whole square by 6 is equal to a plus 5 whole square a plus 6 whole square by 30a square. So here it will go 5 times. So here if you multiply this, this is only the main concept here, multiplying this. So here we'll get 5a square, cross multiply 5a square into a plus 2 whole square into a plus 3 whole square is equal to a plus 5 whole square into a plus 6 whole square. So here you will get 5a square into a square plus 4a plus 4 into a square plus 9 plus 6a is equal to a square plus 10a plus 25 into a square plus 12a plus 36. So this one you have to multiply. Okay, here if you multiply here, this will get 5a power 4 plus 20a cube plus 20a square into a square plus 9 plus 6a is equal to, this one I am multiplying a to the power of 4 plus 36a square plus 12a cube, multiplying this with the total term a power 4 plus 36a square plus 12a cube plus 25a square plus 900 plus 300a plus 10a cube plus 360a plus 120a square. If you multiply these two, a to the power of 4, 36a square, 12a cube, 25a square, 25 into 36, 900. Here 300a. So 25 into 12, 300a plus 10a cube plus 360a plus 120a square. So this side will get 5a to the power of 6 plus 45a to the power of 4 plus 30 a to the power of 5 plus 20 a to the power of 5 plus 180 a cube plus 120 a to the power of 4 plus 20 a to the power of 4 plus 180 a square plus 120 a cube. So these are the terms we are having separate. So if you add all this, if you write a simplified form, 5a power 6 plus 50 a to the power of 5, here 20, here 30, total 50a power 5 plus 185 a to the power of 4, 185 here one term is there, here one term is there, here one term is there, 185 a to the power of 4 plus 300 a cube plus 180 a square. So this is LHS. Now RHS will get a to the power of 4 plus 22a cube. So here 12a cube plus 10a cube, 22a cube plus 181 a square. If you add a square, 36, 25, 120 plus 660a plus 900. Now send all the terms to that side. So here a power 6 is not there, 5a power 6 we are having only one term. Now 50 a to the power of 5 is also only one term is there. 184 minus 1, 185 minus 1, 184 a to the power of 4, 300 minus 22, 300 minus 22, 278 a cube. And next 180 minus here 181 is there, so you'll get minus a square 660a minus 660a going that side is equal to 900. Now he is asking to find the square root of this value. If you see the question, he is asking the find the square root, taking square root on both sides. So the required answer is 30. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.